Hello students, welcome to Ssc classes. This video is Logical Alphabet and Number Sequence Test Part 2. Sometimes we come across questions like find eleventh letter to the left of 20th letter from the left. Now, if we have to find a letter to the left of some letter from that is counted from the left hand side, then we find the difference between 20 and 11, because as we can see, first 20th letter from the right, we are going in this direction up to t because position value of t is 20, and then we are going 11 positions backward because we have to find 11th position to the left of 20th letter. So simply what we can do is we can subtract 11 from 20, which is equals to 9. So the answer would be the 9th letter from the left, which is our letter I. However, if the question of to find 4th letter to the right of 20th letter from left, in that case we would have added 4 to 20, that is 20 plus 4 is equals to 24. Then it would have been 24th letter from left, which is our X. So the 4th letter to the right to the 20th letter from the left is X. Sometimes in some questions it can be said that if the English alphabets are written in backward order, like Z, Y, X, so on till A, then like we have to find what will be the 13th letter to the left of 3rd letter from right. Now there are two ways to solve it. Either we can write it from Z to A and then solve it likewise. Otherwise, suppose we have a question that 13th letter to the left of 3rd letter from right. This have to be found when the alphabets are written in backward order. So what we can do is interchange right to left and left to right. So 13th letter to right of 3rd letter from left, and find it in the forward order sequence. So here we will have 3rd letter. So we would have 13th letter to the right of 3rd letter from left. So it would be 3 plus 13, it would be, which is equals to 16th letter from left, so which is P. So what here we're doing is we are interchanging the left from right and right with left, that is we are interchanging left and right, and then we are finding the answer from our forward order only, which will, and after finding whatever the answer would be, it would be also the answer of the backward order question. So instead of finding 13th letter to the left of 3rd letter from right when the alphabets were arranged in backward order, what we are finding is 13th letter to the right of 3rd letter from left in the forward order. Both of them will give same result. Now sometimes half of the letters can be said that it is written in backward order. For example, it can be written that find 7th letter to the left of 10th letter from the right when the first half of English alphabet is written in backward order. Now since it is 7th letter from left to 10th letter from right, so we will have to find 10 plus 7, which is 17th letter from right. But the first half of the English alphabet is written in backward order, so it would be like M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and then the remaining are in the same order. So we have to find the 17th from right. So up to this it is 13, 14 it is 13, now 14, 15, 16, 17. So our answer is D. A trick of solving it without writing the first half of the alphabets in reverse order is, like suppose we have to find 17th alphabet from the right. Now we know that the second half is 13 alphabets which are written in the same order, so we are subtracting 13 from 17, so which gives 4. So instead of finding 17th element from the right in this new series or new series of English alphabet, we find 4th from left in our normal forward order, so which will also give the answer as D. So what we are doing is we are moving 13 steps here, and the remaining 4 steps, instead of going like this, we are going like this in our original forward order of alphabets. So it's up to you. Either you can rewrite the series, rewrite the sequence, and then find the positional alphabet, or you can do a little bit of maths and then find it. Similarly, if we have to find the 7th letter to the right of 13th letter from left when the second half of English alphabet is written backward, that is from the alphabet is same from A to M, and after that it would be Z, Y, so on till N, and we have to find now 13th from the left is M, and then we have to find 7th to the right of it. So instead of finding that, we can find 7th letter from right. That is, instead of finding 13 plus 7, that is 20th letter from left, of this new series, we are finding 7th letter from right in the original series of English alphabet, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, T. So the answer would be T. Also, 7th from the right is 27 minus 7, which is equals to 20th alphabet of English alphabet.